girls, today I'll be showing you how to do this look that I created, and I used only this little palette here that I received in my Boxycharm about two to 3 months ago, and it's my first time using it. So yeah, I'm sure a lot of you girls have that palette, so yeah, I can recreate this look. And I did a little bit different on my lips today. Since I always do nude lips, I wanted to do a little bit bright color today. Even though the weather is not so bright outside, it's a very rainy. It's raining outside. There's like warnings of tornado, but I wanted to get a video out today. So that is why my hair is really like frizzing out there more than usual, because the weather is bad outside. So yeah, if you girls want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. As usual, I started with my eyebrows already because that takes some time. Hopefully this video makes it out because it's raining really hard outside, so I have like the ring light going on, and hopefully the light doesn't go off. So let's get started. I'm gonna be, let me know if you guys like, if you girls like for me to be like showing you the stuff that I use, or if I just like put it down in the comment section, because I feel like it's a little bit faster if I just do it. So let's get started. So right now all I'm doing is using my Tarte shape tape, or what is it? Tape shape? Tarte tape shape, yeah. To conceal my eyes, and I'm bringing it down. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are already carved and I put concealer to conceal underneath or on my eyelid, I am going to, today I wanted to use a Boxycharm palette because I know a lot of you girls have this palette, and it's this one, and it has really pretty colors inside. So it has like the darks, and then I love that middle one. It's called 9 Lives, this green one. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna be using this one, that way all you girls that have this palette can recreate this look. First thing I'm gonna do is pick up this color right here and use it as my transition color. This color is called Strut. So I'm gonna pick it up and put it all over my eyelid. And it's so pretty. You see that color picking up really good. Sometimes I don't like the palettes that they send me in my Boxycharm because I feel like they don't blend as well. But this one does not have that problem because it's blending very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here and apply it to my liking, however dark I want it. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye as well. And I will be right back. We have our liking on our lids. As you can see, this is the color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the maroon. This is called Cheshire, this one. And using a little smaller brush. Yeah, I'm gonna be applying it. You can either just apply it here in the ends. Okay, that color's not picking up well. There we go. Or you can apply it, I'm gonna apply it all over the eye. Well, not all over it, but I'm gonna pretty much have like a little, it's called halo eyes. So then after that, you have a choice. You can either apply this pink one or this like, well, they're both like shimmery. So let me see. Okay, there we go. So this one's the pink one and this one's like the shimmery one. You have a choice. You can apply either one of those. Both of them will look really, really nice. But today I am going to add this, what is this called? Holographic one, and it's called holographic. And apply that right in with my finger, using my finger, right in the center of it. You see how pretty that is? It just naturally, it gives you a halo eye without having to cut crease and do all that stuff. This is like super easy. You see that? Okay, so I'm gonna be using my LA Girl. This has been my holy grail. Like, you know, I used that new foundation last time. Well, a new foundation for me. The, what is it called? The L'Oreal Luminous Glow and Matte one. Oh, sorry, I have so many baby hairs. And let me just say, I'm not a big fan of it. Now that I tried it, I'm not a big fan of it. So I'm gonna go back to my regular one that I use. This is like my favorite one. This is it's the LA and it's a nude beige. And it's brand new, I just picked it up. So, applying it on my face. This is like my favorite one. Why? Because it's super buildable and it's really high like coverage actually. You will see using my blender. My blender, beauty blender. Okay, then I'm gonna use my Tarte shade and some of my Maybelline mixed together. And I'm just gonna use like this amount of that because this is super high coverage. And I don't know, I feel like it doesn't look so good on me. So that's why I mix it in with the Maybelline one. And then using my Maybelline one, I'm gonna highlight bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, and down here my chin. With the Tarte shade, I just pick up a little bit and apply it up here. To bake my under eyes. And contour my cheeks. powder. Okay, so then I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm using my favorite mascara right now, the same one. Brush it. At this point, you can either add some eyeliner or just like this. I'm gonna add some eyeliner today. Usually I've been liking my looks without eyeliner. It's just preference. But today I'm gonna apply some eyeliner. I just feel like it looks better, like your actual eyeshadow like shows off more. I don't know if it makes sense. Okay girls, so I'm back. I did my hair, I guess you can say. And I put my eyelashes on. So now I'm just gonna put some spray and I'm gonna apply some highlights. And then some highlight, whatever. What else? Lips. For lips, I've just been doing very natural lips lately, so maybe I'll do some color. Let me see. Yeah, let me try to do this. Okay, so now I applied my purple lips. Like I said, I wanted to do something different because I always do like nudes or like something really light. But I really like the way it came out. As you can see, I didn't apply any anything underneath my eyes because I wanted to get like something like a different look, I guess you can say. So I just, I'm just gonna apply like a brightening powder. Let me do this. There we go. A little bit of brightening powder, so as steady if you can. Just so I can brighten underneath the eyes since I'm not gonna be applying anything. So there you have it. This is the eyes. So yeah, thank you girls for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.